news coming in.
A second explosion now has been heard in Lahore's Gulberg area, the second blast in Lahore in a span of 60 minutes. Remember the first set of blasts, of course, that had taken place at the DHA, the Defence Housing Authority area in Y Block there. Deputy News Editor Ritangshu getting us further updates now. In a span of 60 minutes, we're looking at a second blast in the same city there. Ritangshu.
News coming in, another explosion has has been reported in Lahore. This one has happened in the Gulberg area, according to police now. Of course, this is just less than an hour after the first bomb blast rocked the city's DHA Y Block area, in which reportedly 7 people have been killed and 17 have been injured. Now, we still don't know the casualty figures, if any, which from the second blast which has happened in the Gulberg area. But it is something which is very worrying indeed, and the Lahore police are on emergency alert.
Geeta Mohan.
Also getting in further inputs, yes, Foreign Affairs Editor Geeta Mohan with those updates there. Geeta, are we in a position at this given point of time to connect the two blasts? These are two set of blasts in different areas, but in the same city in a span of an hour.
Well, not really, Seher. At this point in time, police authorities in Lahore quite reticent about revealing details, but these are serial blasts that we are looking at within the same city in the defense colony area, Seher, and that should be a worry for the administration. One in the defense colony and now in Gulberg area. Serious concerns. We do not know what who the real culprits are behind the terror attacks, and also the modus operandi does not fall in line with a particular terror network. There are so many fragments and different various splinter groups that work in the same fashion, so cannot pin as to who really is responsible for the attack. But we do know that in some time from now, either there would be a terror network that will claim responsibility, or the police authorities will come out with details on who really is behind the blast. The serious concerns regarding this twin blast, serial blasts that have taken place in Lahore.
Yeah, we are seeing, of course, twin blasts taking place there in Lahore. The casualty figure also is expected to rise. Unfortunate developments there taking place in Lahore, Pakistan.
That's right. We're going to be tracking those in just a bit. For the minute,